Hi, how are you today?
Hi, I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm fine, but I feel a little tired this morning.
Oh, why? Did you sleep late?
Yes, I stayed up working on my project.
That sounds busy. What project is it?
I'm making a short video about daily life in English.
That's interesting. I'm sure it will help people learn English.
I hope so. Sometimes I worry it won't be good enough.
Don't worry, everyone starts somewhere. Effort is the most important thing.
You're right. I just need to keep going.
Yes. What do you usually do in the morning?
I wake up, make a cup of coffee, and plan my day.
Do you like planning?
Yes, it helps me stay focused. But sometimes I forget to follow the plan.
That's okay. The important thing is to try every day.
True. What about you? How do you start your day?
I usually do yoga or stretch, then eat breakfast.
That's healthy. I should try that. Do you have any lunch plans today?
Yes, I'll eat with my friend at a small cafe nearby.
Sounds fun. What do you usually talk about with your friend?
We talk about work, hobbies, and sometimes dreams.
Dreams? Like life goals?
Yes, it's inspiring to hear other people's dreams.
I like that. Sometimes talking about dreams gives me motivation. Do you feel stressed sometimes?
Yes, especially when work piles up.
Me too. I feel tired and sometimes want to give up.
It's normal, but taking small breaks helps.
Like a walk or a short nap?
Exactly, or listening to music for a few minutes.
I'll try that. Music helps me think clearly. What do you usually do in the evening?
I cook dinner, watch a little TV, and sometimes read a book.
Do you read English books?
Sometimes it helps me improve my English.
That's smart. I need to read more too.
Yes, even a little bit every day helps.
Do you have any special plans for the weekend?
Yes, I plan to visit a park and take some photos.
That sounds relaxing. Nature is a good stress relief.
Absolutely. And you?
I want to finish my video project and maybe watch a movie.
Nice. Balance work and relaxation.
Yes, that's important. Thank you for chatting with me today.
Thank you too. Talking with you makes my day better.
Let's keep improving our English together.
Yes, step by step every day.